zakirana kimwe kandi okuzakira no kwabusha kunkano teko kuzumbanya Uganda obaronde mu mikono igana kurugumza district 98 so no itenge mikono kenda na runana so kwetora district 98 no itenga mashita no itenga motoka no itenga support no itenga ibintu bingi then no qualifications zindi na requirements zindi ogende bakuhandike oshashwe 2020 obone kuba presidential candidate nkoku kirigamba omucyaragero echa the Presidential Elections Act na amendments zakozirwemo mbona abantu toyebuza ahabwenye abantu obwa president no mu gorobi President Museveni kwamazireho akiri karingwa abantu bagira ngo ubundi barahabona nibenda kumuyaho baragayo ngo bamute hamana mingi ekikuletera abantu bingi kurgayo kuzanira ntebe eri kusinga kube ekitini so muhanganiki because tarho ntebe ya MP eitwarebera abantu bakuhingura 25 mbija okwisimba okuyaho entano so mu NRM waza kuyawe izba kwita expression of interest forms no banzo tayo sente zo batakugarura $3 maybe ezo zikachendeza ba jokers abakuzanda aha exercise iri important nkeje muhanga so ntwenda kureba ahabwenye abantu mero bwa president omunamba mpango etyo at least level ya aspirant kutura tungo mwanya nabwe tuza kureba urukiko rwa NRM urwa delegates conference roho mu kwezi oku ndabakwe n'entebe za SEC abakwe n'entebe ezemyeto ezabakazi n'inki cyenyine cyo bakwambaza gukora aha SEC oganira shongeji nyine abakuru nyine umwami Paul Katwire Karamuzi ogo ni assistant resident state commissioner abwambara City Central ombugufu n'entumo ya president ahabwambara City Central nyine omukuru Imam Makumbi ogo ni vice president wa Democratic Party DP ahabwo cyangwa kitwemu cha Western Uganda na atwara Toro atwara Bunyoro atwara Nkore hamwe na Kigezi omusha DP na Jebembera Oman nyine omukuru Alex Kamara the Great narwo mu kigombe cya UPC na nobwa MP bwa Rohama omu district ya Ntungamo ari yahanye n'umwami Greenford Kapota omwanya Mtomo deputy speaker wa Mtoma district Kapota bantu baterenda musyo wajwara yero toine kuba banojwara yero hati
kashini kibina cyanje ne cya NRM so najwara esati ya yero ni manyo mu kibina cyitrange cya movement ekinta kutinira ekinkuteka mu kitwire Uganda misho kandi kirengera kikugitwara antarunje hanyikirize ntangirire abari kureba Tayari West TV hona himuri nomanyetso cha TV nota kubasa kureba utaba barambara utaba barisingiro konkana munonga nyikiriza ntangirire abanyamitoma kutandikira Kashenshero Bitereko Kiyanga Kanyabwanga za Katenga hano mwebare no mabo baka
obota resingire bwa flag bearer bwa chairman LC5 no panga ki no fumba ki
tinda singire konkana imbe bazabwo buhagizi kandi kindi yo ni imfumba itwaba ene arema bakunda NRM wazo mu karuru waraka otaka singa chikumayisa mu Uganda ne yahwayo ninga chikumayisa munoza kwite kibina cyaho cya NRM munoza kwesimba katwire nyoni ngunda movement yanje nambwe nukagamira abanyamitoma tininza kuze nyuma ya flag bearers abasingire chairman Karitundu abasingire ba Rebecca abasingire General Tafire right honorable Thomas Tayebwa ni member wa parliament wanje ninza kubaze nyuma kureka mutwaronda karuru abo kuba NRM ekibina cyanje ni kisinganye obuhango tinga ina undugiyo nkitabangure ahabwa ebigendererwa byanje ko muntu nteko kurangutura hamwe hasigara nkiza ntangire ba panelist bagenzi banje munywani wanje RDC Katwire ubwo twira hamwe mu kutereza Uganda we bare kutereza Mbarara munywani wanje Imamu ubwo nkambogana hijo wa UPC na ntakumanya ngo yakuzire nanandi mendeze kureba je program
yakuzire no muyise
nkamusigara muto takumanya kandi atinashanga washwire Kamara hasigara mwebare munonga kureba TV
Kapota tinkushabira mu rumuri y'umushamukuru no basagweshabira kunga ko bakubwa RDC no bamobilize mu Nigeria
ubwo RDC titwakiye kureka twanze turonda karuru
Alex abantu bahenda musyo
bari munongo mushuganisa wa program tangira ba panelists bataye banje capitalization ni obakiryo mwonyo tinkumanya
ndishukara tunakunyota shukara
So abo kutureba mwena nimbatangira Tayari West TV amazina ni Kamara Alex the Great aspiring MP ama county Kigombe cha Uganda People's Congress kandi twari mu gishogo kumanyisa abo kutureba ngo UPC ito tube tuine primaries biri 15 ni 16 so kwata abo kuronda kwate bendera ya UPC antebeza kurugabwa MP kushuma kuza antebeza hansi so birarike mu ngibyo
biri 15 nyumwazi
na nerizo nibwe barabene behendera ecyakandi
ibe bendera ya Bumba Gikariya
yonka abo one opposed so tine wanyasimbro ecyakandi
uchukarabano opposed cha UPC
yeah
ningate mwine bantu
nintabarsa iyo ndoza yo nintabarsa abagize ba UPC kandi imbaretara nenda musikuruga mu Kigombe cha UPC Uganda House headquarters ngo mbamanyise ngo nyuma bazo bayihireyo President Jimmy Akena expression of interest ninga shukwenda kwereka ngo kwesimbwa bwa president so tujja sawa yona iyo tusharaho
nzakugamba ari UPC
tabare munonga
umishwa hawo atingendo uchiri akwantwenda kubuze bya UPC munonga President wakwachira
webale sebo umtukanso program Alhaji Makumbi Imam nibwo mazina ganjye nkoko babagambira ni Vice President wa DP mu Western Uganda umuringo gwo mutawuni ngenda kwakira aba panelist bagenzi banjye na muno aba NRM government yegera muneza gwa ikuza kurugaho abinyi no program egi na mugenzi wanjye wa UPC ubwo nareba aha umuringo gwo mutano nkiriza nshemerwe n'abatungire birungi izoba rya nyumwazo na neri izoba
Imam government NRM gwariya
very soon
kantwako nakakuru
very soon NRM ne basubutarenga ubutarinziya 2026 abo kuba negendezo urubazo kente yicyanda
Imam NRM yagwa UDP niye gumo kansoti mbigenda hamwe
no definitely no bien bitana
DP ni KMC
Nibitana. So Democratic Party in ideology yayo na NRM in ideology yayo. So reality bine kakwate. So mtuka program muri ngo gumwe ikiriza nshase na bagenzi banje n'abanya-Uganda abatungereza bitarumwe na bamwe nambwe nuni ngenda kushasha neka ya umugenzi honorable former minister Karoro Kurutu arigere umagara genseji kandi no shoti nabamuzikeri izoba riyarenki hanga ya diario wa NRM konka twashasha munonga abo kuba yafata rebere government ensya ekuza kwiza akagishemerwamo ecyashasha munonga so ngenda kushasha na mwana wanje akoraje nawe afirirwe mukuru we abire nakunda environment so tufirirwe munonga abo kuba president Museveni na government ebi environment bukabarema abantu nemano shanure bombe kombishara
afirira Dr. Garuga
so na Dr. Musinguzi Garuga founder member wa FDC nabo ntushasha nekejo na family ejo akwererukana nyenda kushasha hariho mucyara tumuzikira umushanje waho kabirebere road rwiziringiro ayiserwe cancer so nawe nyenda kushasha na Sheikh Umar abira ryo mucyara we so abakutureba mwena aha program we nimbendeza okutereza obwire tubashobore nti Uganda uyahika
thank you neyetenga change
ninga sempinduka zamani
owe mnonga Imam Makumbi arasimata ine satunungi Mandela yene je Mandela we
definitely
ine na jacket nungi jacket zaba uri amuruto no binga mbo bandikuzwara so twakutangira commissioner twakwakira
kansara mu kishogo nyakira or comrades present barigeze banje ukira munongo wa yero nakushimira nakwakira nyakire vice president
kapota bakamutera
bakamutera karori yarra colleagues kanza mushoka mazenge or colleagues present ambeno munywani wanje
Imam
atakaba nko kitinisa besije obyagambire nsi yona tebire bitiri muza kureba omusheja nataru akitora muze basaka murebe
ataba masaka mu
ataba basaka muza kumure nata
atumukamara na Kampala
aho myaka makumyaga shata kigambire umushakira president
abasha bagwa muhanda bategereje
bene ni watakabaga myaraje makuru wagambe
bomba zara
I want to show you colleagues president amayini batureba ngene mu government agiriyo mutegeki we still have support abantu bakitukuna president Museveni kandi ngenda no kumusimu ababita kabira rafite byakoze cyo kwanza aba demokrasi yari zero mu Uganda nyamaje ndebera umusheja ajere boost naza kupikinga nomination
zagama
so I want to thank the president
for four things with democracy.
Yes, democracy, security, infrastructure development,
rule of law.
Rule of law, very good.
Rule of law.
Yes.
Obere mno. Twapakira commissioner. Na commissioner inesa atiyenundi. Na yoni Mandela we. Mandela we ine.
Nange vice president.
zimanyane sente zitsu zo muhiwumsho nisho tukushashura bara
kashiu. Iyo ntari kujweka.
yoni nyejweka
Obere mnonga Imam. Asimwe Jonah Dakiki. Twakwanirize nko kugamba
it's okay gamba runyankole ni
okay twakwakira
okay
abantu baturenda musyo
okay nyonja kubaza tutoro
it's okay
okay mwebale muno okuntangira na Jonada Semakeke kandi ayesimbirwa aba National Vice Chairperson Western Uganda kandi ali chairman wa NRM Hoima City na opposed ama engineer kandi ninkola n'ebintu bingi ku developing ihanga nyowe manyibwe nkomuntu atondaho factories na infrastructures ezikotonka stadiums airports ebyo bintu nibyo nkola muno kyonka omukitebe ndi chairman wa NRM City kandi nkwataniza n'abavuka bayingi n'abantu bayingi nakununyikaireyo nkasomesa amasomero nka Bishop Ogezi kabaho Rwamabonda Hostesta Kagamba Rwashemire abo kuba
oba yongere kachayiraka
ateo aho ntakagenzera aheru kabanza kulibata muno ntunga everywhere twingisaniza amagezi ga science mwebale kuntangira ego bana
twakachira
kutangiraho na nomukuru wangu go nsangiraho
commissioner
yes no this one
wa DP mamba ku
ente yo kuronda wo reader so umwebuza amagezi kuyachikoze kale nonda kuza sek
yes
ka regional vice chairperson okay and why
no sek positions amazima seke ni tukulakinga muno abo kuba ebikaro bya seke bino bibaire so dormant and so dormant nti abantu bakubinagiriza muno abo kusanga abantu bali bize muno ekinguraine kandi seki nkaitwe abantu aba planning ihanga through innovation technology and inventions tukwenda kuikara ikibeta ekichumbiro no shimanya
kitchen chiyungu
yeah what I can say that sek position should be a kitchen not someone to keep seeing you everywhere habo kuba omuchumbi singaba na ikara ali mu sitting room bulikaire kona ebikora nibikora ki
nibikora bisirira
kyo kurora mu myane wange wa DP rundi aroba gamba ebindi tibikatereire but abukwa sometimes our planning under sek ugenda kusanga nti obwire tubaire na bwire butito kandi no sanga nti abantu tibakozere ebyo oba obligations is a sek. That's why I'm coming for this position ngomuntu kurora nti akwenda okuongeraho by the way history amyaka yanga 3 na musanju nyakatonda we milimetari hansi emitwaro mwenda in history of Uganda within few years and nsa kubagambira nti with oil and gas we are somehow obutukwata by December omwezi guno gwonka tukuba ntulaunchingaho a mega factory which will be the biggest in East Africa. That is Moroto. Eja kwa ne producinga kilinka ningonzo musajja wangu owa DPR ampulize kunka na following
yabuza ngo iwe
muntu ebintu ebindi
tandika emermo emtwaro mwenda
ati kamba gambire
ngwe president
nole kamba gambire
mama kumbi chako uzi
nole kamba gambire kintu kinu ebintu ebindi nti we don't take time to find people who talk,
How can we verify it?
who can speak. When we are saying we are inventing, you develop a project from scratch. You go and look for investors. You go for approvals. You do benchmarkings. After benchmarkings, the project takes over. It can create indirect jobs and directly.
So iwe John Adokwetegereza.
Yes.
Ori innovator, ori investor, or lobbyist, or you have any.
Okay. Now, as Jonad, one, I'm a development engineer. Okay. But we work with different parameters. If for me, I'm an engineer, I may think about a project. Hati kan quick example in
Ombogufu.
Yes, Ombogufu. Obunyaizire.
But you cannot take those projects to be yours and you account for
no, it is not yours.
You finish. Make your point and finish.
Hati my fellow nyare person. Ekingonza owetegereze kiri hano. Omuntu bwagamba okutondaho, you work with systems. You work with teams.
Okay.
You can never work alone in the what? In
Thank
the
you.
project.
I think when Embo's
the NRM government for that, but not
Yes.
I think when Embo's impango eita yaro western kwitenga kuya interview detailed abokuba now it can tekufittinga omu show tubikweramu. But we thank you and welcome.
I'm aware.
Commission katandike niwe Alhaji Moses Kigongo na Todongo bakakira impapura bakuzakira President Museveni kwesimba president.
Yes.
Entebe ya mane etyo abantu bagizanireho haturiyo mbantu 150 obwembezi mu kwase ku maybe
yabare munonga mambowazi. First of all, kamba nsime His Excellency President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni Sebarwanyi.
Semarungu.
Sebarwanyi and Semarungu. Abo kutegeka gihangeri. Abo kwikiriza makumbi akaza mu DP agatamburensi yona agambira kwenda kugamba ese kamurikiza bakamusenga tayari tiwe stage akaje kagambira kwenda yona kagambira
akarangiriro kugwa kwa movement
kandi akabeya bakamukiza akabeya. So ikicho kama kumeshimakano kimusimira now wabo ikibuzo cyo wambuza
ntumebe bwembiza mu bukwasire kubi
ngenda kugambira
hata uri umuntu nabwo epima
cyo kimanyisa ngo Uganda erije muno campaign democracy. Actually, nyuma zengo iroka. I say somebody in boots in gumboots.
boots.
Na kwa
nomination forms.
Ego speaking. Kokeje kimanyisa Uganda is a democratic country. Tuna democracy. So abantu bona mbikizo kwetsimba. Because no kwetsimba kwa Uganda oshimye in senior 6 equivalent. So umuntu wena na makumbuga na Bishop Butu vice president wa DP. He has in the codification. So okwesimba abantu benja besimba aba cyo kubanza abantu abantu bari serious. Actually most of them music feeling utunge mukono yiko basayiningere cyo kimanya. Abantu bane benda tension kwenda kure ko yakwesimba abamone gam capturing bamunye yakwesimba.
Ngo bamurebe.
Abeji bakujya kubone mukono y'abantu basayiningera. Abengi bakujya kutambura mu Uganda yone kuzo muri kubona abantu bakubasayiningera konka abantu bagira kwiga nomination forms zezi abenyi bana benda ngo be capture media bari hata kwa butsi nomanga no no gaga no bene bagamba wowe kwa butsi agenzeri ya capturinga tension z'aba media houses bona bene bakata bona konka icyo cyo mu Uganda His Excellency President Kaguta Museveni na ile government bakateta democracy and democracy mu Uganda gene koraje so abantu ne benjoye ngo mu ihanga ryabo nicyo kuri abantu
imwe cyubakanyire nka movement
no ito kikanyire
ko abantu igana 49 buri muntu yabaye na haro kuruga district yakurugamo you would imagine ngo ine home advantage naza kucendeza bururu ubu president
ekina nako gambire believe ukirize abona abantu abahereye forms bona tokuza kwetsimba icyo kiri cyo gambira most of them will fail ikindi cya kabiri cy'kwenda kugambira Uganda is a free country. Uganda is a democracy. So the president with His Excellency Kaguta Museveni. Omuntu wera nekiziba kwese because the political right yekwetsimba. Tukinga nomination kwese mu Uganda. Wone kokuna naga wene bishanirizo byo kwetsimba. Wori mu Uganda, uriza rwa Uganda, weshomese ni 6 no korachi no yetsimba.
Thank you.
So abantu kuza kuye form kwetsimba ni political rights zabo. Konke kikwenda kwashwa ngane kikwenda kwamiza. Abazihira barazigarira nimbaru.
Thank you. Imam. Yes. Maona ko Zimbabwe president.
We bari munonga wabuza ikibuzo kirungi nti mauna za ko Zimbabwe president. Answer is yes.
Okay.
Mau naza ko Zimbabwe president wa Uganda ubwa bishomukareba National Delegate Conference yitu ya Democratic Party ikabo muri Mbararaha omuruti asama hotel nobody mautu wa muhinguzanka flag bearer wa Democratic Party ahabwa president
bwanyuma yo kuzibera Richard Sebamara ko isimba
no Richard Sebamara bakamudisqualifyinga akata kwisike myaka ya umuntu wese Zimbabwe president kibina akata kagiye
commissioner Linda Buturebe. So Imamu President Museveni na icheza buri umwe wena kumwesimba konka mawo takwikiza buri umwe na kumwesimba
well enchuti kire nkuko wakigamba aboko ba Nobert Mao delegate conference akayesimbirwa abantu babiri wakari wakasha akayesimbirwa honorable Dr. Rume Bayiga MP wa Buyikwe a defectingire
ya PFF
ejo democracy haronde mweta alitia narga Western Nile na wake Zimbabwe president ayabira ariyo akanaka ingini ya honorable Richard Sebamara bamudisqualifyinga because it's kuza kwa Zimbabwe president wa DP no bo mazira haneki National Executive Committee more than 10 years imyaka n'injiro muri 10 so akataka gishikise so itwenga Democratic Party nito ba champion ba democracy
Imam Tingwenda kutata mwana gamba konka
NRM in democracy
Imam Tingwenda kutata mwana gamba konka wachweka nsaha just toka za Rwanda President Kagame nateko kubona inshonge munare ndijo kuzebera kandi itowa manu kwesimba hari umukazi mamweta Victoire Ingabire umuhoza nabateko kwe kwa senshonge munare ndijo kandi nero umukiragiro konga kora nguti ya isimba nicyo cyumwe na president wa Russia
Rwanda
na mawoke kwa sikiragiro
Rwanda neta namukake na no bwebembezi bwa Museveni mabakatwira Rwanda tariyo democracy Rwanda it's a military government na no mu Uganda tiriyo military government indirect imam 2025 2025 kapota moment 2025 Dr. Besigye akari omuchome akana tekateko emishango maybe President Museveni ko yabere nakunda kweshere ko mukiragiro akana basa muri meza kwesimba konga tara muri misi akahandikisa ataruho no kubaho atkangambire
abwencho mwa bataragumusiririze mwakajyango kansinge se bamarogo mukakase ngo mukigombe no musi
akashati to abwaki no yinegezo kuhende beragiro ito constitution yitu ya Democratic Party
Sio constitution.
iyi ni constitution ni jati umuntu wawe kwemera bwa president bwa DP no bo yishyize imyaka 10
Oriya nek.
iyi
siyo mara yabatini
utagine kashabwa ati ntera constitution ibintu bikorwa ba NRM nibo kwenda constitution
so mawo kwara Zimbabwe president
yes
cyabo yabatasinga nagaraka to mu cabinet kushitama na president owabena hakanso mu karura meza makenyuma
icyo tinde kukimanya mutarasinge nyoni mantu mawo yazo mu karuru and vice weye naza kusinga karuru in fact president Museveni is lucky abo kuba mawo kwara singa karuru tuinetebekanisa namutayika eyo kurinda president Museveni so aba NRM mwena bari abakunde ba TV ndabakatwire president Museveni takuza kuzamu exile president Museveni ntuza kumurindira wa kitura nakunde bye kweshongora ntuza kumugurira za bandi recording byeshongore bya mpenko ni engarama zizire so president Museveni tuza kumutebekaniza gi kandi abo bakatwire tubakuza kuza mu exile so katwire you are lucky because you are my friend you are my neighbor behaving kuko ine mitwe mirungi ntuza kugora government yes tukuza kugura ndabanza balepura ko government kandi mumuro
opposition kamana
aza
mwana wanje katwire wanyiso ubu Dr. Besigye benagamba kumuseveni yagenze akana tigamba mu Ruganda abe masaka mwesimye muja kumuraba ngahitaho masaka muja kumuraba ngagenda mubere kukubo
nangwa akabagera
umuntu opposition yaba nagamba no jodi mwene utesha
nango Besigye akagera ngo amasaka bintu muce akamareba naza kampara kutegeka mwene bagarikamba muri baragarika
Natari wakitura
bamakumba konka abarenge ba TVG nyenda ngo mbaze tangaze ikintu kimwe abantu bona bajyo mu Uganda nebi byo mu Uganda aizo at the end of the day nibabigwa as ya president Museveni kasho yangi
that's the total lie
kasho
political pattern
no political party munupu na unamwagira ngo oti mauna za kwatani satana na president Museveni kuya kweza kugo hati mwena bila kwatani satana we ubwabire akijoa DP tebaramwireba kama ubwa minister Chitakutangaza hina n'abantu abantu abo president arugabana hina n'abantu FDC president arukubana ndagambana abo president Museveni because president Museveni ni president w'abantu bona mu Uganda
mbamba gamba
irrespective of the
no byakwa mwana wanje magana bagamba kako speaker no byakwa mwana wanje makumi mwana wa president bagamba ko
no that's the total lie no nyotinga gamba gana president Museveni takumanya
Kongo mureno wajini ochemanyimu abantu bona bakora
kapota nwari nagamba
ndini magamba na president Museveni
abo nabandi
ni president witu wiyana oyira kujambo manya arene ndana ya president Museveni chairman wa NRM na president Museveni president wiyana abo nabantu bani two people chairman wa no basa kutagamba na president Museveni chairman wa NRM habo gogwe nani kamukaba
information
reka kupota kumzema
nakakushobora
nagenda kuyamba
yahaba byanje tukufa kubibona makumbi
yahaba
ukandure nanga chuboro kwandika ne director
yahaba
president Museveni president uyanga
kwataka shuma handi
kabiri na andika kwa
wahaba
opposition ndobo wakujoteji nenta manajati nembuzi no yakona na nenta konga
na nyenda kugura
reka kapota kumzema yubikam
uyanga naje ko kwatakisana n'abantu bona oyire kibina nobojo wa nupu obojo wa FDC obojo habo kwa president
kapota omuntu imwenere mu maize ngo ahingura takanisibu abesoro candidate abanyarwanda basigara tukuba kumureva igana na mwenda bayize ngumenda kumucaringinga
okwesimba
ejo nchoreka mukareba ukundi
ngende gwaho yihanga yipi ya Uganda ningira kanyene nakingana cyane na mukaga kwaza kushoma mu constitution yipi
kokugamba
ngende kashigamba kugira ngo omuntu wena na omunya Uganda oyenesida ya mukaga ningashitsi equivalent na ikizo kwesimba kwa president
it is one zero
na ikizo kwa political para IPC so namwenu ni nyabazanye mwazo niho mwanyine mu Uganda imwe mwana mujya mu tujyo mu military tujyo mu under constitutional governance tujyo mu democracy kurebera military benoza kureba amahiga kugira gatogo abenwe ya yesi kongorebere muri ngomwe yarugayo
tukubiri basemba buresho wase
yazaho ya yesimba namwe ninyebaza aho wano dera mutoci ndebere kibina kitu cha NRM cyetebekanisize munongo bururu kusinga electoral commission because ndebera abantu bakubire bata kashiri dohakana hati nuro mupabe naza kwese mu bwa NRM kipi ubanza ushashura babanza bareba ko shomire babanza bareba ofune mikono obwene mikono
kugira ngo tatsisiro
kwenda ngo tashisho bwira abo kwani wano reba ryo munya Uganda uri kunjurira no reba ngo aba mwabagire ni ba comedians.
Thank you.
What but the complete aba mwabagire yo n'abari kwenda ngo babareba ama TV aba mwabatanze social media kongete ko jira ngo bakatahekera jiro namwe nati niyo ndero maranga electoral commission aho ni mumwene kopa NRM mukamanya ngo muntu yaza kwesi bine kuko habe kuroma muntu yaza kwesi
habe commitment
mure mwatire hebintu ebyo akubasa kuzibirori yo kwenda kuzana kwesi mure mwaje ngo abanza shashuri ako kuja ngo abanza shashuri eto tubaza ciyamu aba ba comedian ko kuja ngo muntu abaza lete papura gece ta ba comedian hati eto muntu wija kushunshugwa aryo muntu iki tatamba comedian ndi kwendera nyenda kutangazamo abantu emwe bari mbajangu NRM mu President Museveni President Museveni nawe ni candidate nayingana naba bari kuza kwesi echo muchikwati nawe tayine buyinza kuja ngo abazire kwesi nabaza kuzaho besimbe kubona turone mkongecho te imam oreke kurota President Museveni aza kuruga echo necho roto
Lorohanga
na kutiro hanga ko
bari mnongo twinaba ekaya twinaba ekaya hotel twinaba ekaya Crescent Hotel bashangwa kamukuzi na hayituri henyere kamukuzi na hayituri reka turane kamukuzi na hayituri nabo echo wanonda ohereza bwa ekaya Crescent Hotel naha kamukuzo muri mbarara ahashungi na Divine Mercy Hospital zaho ahabwa chansya ahabwa chamshana ahabwa cyacero zaho ahabwa umwanya munanyo kukomereza motoka aho korro bugenyi okurara yanda kurara yo accommodation nungi bine byo kurinda bine internet bine buri kimwe ekikora hotel kandi partners bito mu program kubiri burukasheshe mbwenu nubo bakuturebera kashayi karungi byo kugendera byona ekaya hotel kandi nyuma ze bine live band and abantu bona bashimira unti bebaza aba ekaya hotel omukuru Alex
yes
UPC tuno hakugembera
President Jimmy Akena
kandi ebya ejuro mukoti mbegamba ki
we bare munonga koti akatwireyo kwababa kuko kwatabwe bembeze bwa UPC
no habatwireyo kwababa
akariyo Dennis Enap akanagira ngo bwire bwa Akena buhireyo 2 times omalamuzi namanya akarga yagira ngo yakora rolling yikizana na Dennis Enap ngo indeed 2 times za Akena zuhireyo ngutakwikiza ku standing which means eyabere disqualify ngo Akena arigo mu office legal konka wogo wahererukira akasharamu yaje ensharamu kanegera ngo Akena tashemeye kusikinga third term akwa constitution ya UPC negamba 2 terms
tashemeye kutunga inchuro
ya kashatu
tugeze
hebindi tubwambira which means court yikiriza ngo atwire omu office ebisanja bibiri konka rulinga yabandizeri ekanegera ngo arigo mu office omuki omubucyamo ogo yikiriza yakiteka mu stamp ngo tashemeye kuronda third term I'm coming so tamu yeya ekane hwayo kibanza cyo kwa munana umwakogo haza kiyaherize umuramuzi kiyamweze eligibility yo jangwa kiryo mu office ya yeta delegates conference yabeneza kuza Kamudin Hotel polisi yagize baranguteye ngumanya teine capacity yo kuhereza ki security ngwako yine binde byero
delegates conference kazibwa polisi kazirwa court
police nuko ya umugamirizi wa polisi nuko yawe nagira so bija bakora kuba baronda option ndijo bakora delegates conference on Zoom abaye bari mu different regions basitama baza Zoom abaye bashika kuza Kampala bazaho so ejo delegates conference ekahiyunguza ngo bayongeza akena omwaka gumu abwenshi bamwongeza umwaka gumu because ituto mu kigombe cya UPC mwena delegates conference nibo bakama baki bekibintu nibo bayerize akena amezi 12 bwo koyongera intention was
delegate conference bakama bekibina
intention was
so kwamkwitegereza Alex mu Uganda yerizoba hariho district C Bugweju Kabaramaido ukakwata delegates conference wagitaha Zoom delegates amwe batine smartphones batine data ejekere delegates conference iyo kureta product ya democracy
so abantu babasaba kaza mu Uganda House abamwe bija baza kwe antunga mu offices baza Zoom what matters mureke
kama zefe na wenyenda
what matters no kugira ngo abayenu akubura kuzo mu delegates conference wena na yetegeye kugira ngo mweno a person over kweta delegate nabayetegeye umunonga kugira ngo bakwata abantu bona konka majority
bakahanika bata attendance list abamwe babarintunga mu kafunda abandi bari
kuriya attendance list oriana ko kuba rya Zoom kuya omu district town muhandika attendance list then ejo attendance list nibagisindika electronically to the headquarters then ba approving aba bantu bakaba bekibine baka approving ngo akena bamwongera amezi 19 so now
Alex kankwetegereze mwana mukora delegates conference y'kikankecho and uno gishobora abandi makureba tima how you feel
bakureba I'm very free
then ogambara abanyegana n'umwenda ku challenging president Museveni orukweta delegates conference y'abantu muzara kumene kichweka omuchayi kororo insenereba omishuga kamera and are you saying you are mu y'ikigombe chikwenda bwembezi muri serious
webare munonga bw'ekibuzo ekyo kubanza noreba omuntu omaziro mbwembeze myaka 80 noratwa abamwe babazenguye in military government ekyo kubanza electoral commission na controlling general remote no wakujironda police neye atuwaza coordinga delegates conference police kargeyo kakuzubira abo kugira ngo Museveni takwenda jime akena yesimbe akareta police yakora ki yagizubira kumwe n'umfollowing amakuru ukareba umugamizi wa police ki yakoze akagira ngo they are unable to provide security abo kugira ngo reka information ya akuba nanye ne video so the only option was to have delegates conference on Zoom
and
kandi kikizo bwo mu mateka
abagene kabatarabazi
kankubuze Alex
cyaguranye kabagene kabatarabazi
kankubuze Alex
nibazi bari UPC
kankubuze Alex
unkatogere mutwe
kankubuze Alex twazagaruka mu kibuzo cy'umwe tuzo mu break ashayitana tubone kwakira Jonathan
gutekereza kuzamara mu mashaka
kashaka ugunumara gamba ugenda ku Zimbabwe president ugunugumara mu gwenye reka ko ndaku discussing ho oruka kansere naremo utabena tugamba UPC bazika tugamba UPC because ntumara amazing ngamukaga tugamba naremo hataka tugamba UPC 1 minute
omwine
nanye mwine
ugene mushatari mfobo dokutaka kumanyoko
yamata
takuma bya UPC
ikibuzo cyaje cyameri shongeje kumara emyaka nkena Jima Akena na President Museveni bayi batakwanza rugambo batakwa kanisana Jima Akena kimutagwire ombero obunica because hatari vicious na Rwanda Museveni okusinga na cyagoranye
kandi mukazi wene minister
echamane Jima Akena
echamutagwire ni
atwire na mobilizing party steadily kwiha across all regions zonas jiro reason ye etwire yo kugira ku building steadily kara arebe ngo right time yashika yes right time yashika akore ki ataking over that's why ncho korebera emyaka yenyimaho akatwira takwesima konka kigaheze kubanga nayikiriza ngo banzo obone structures
abanje natongana munonga
hatiya kashi niyo ninkoreta
kuzate natongana kuchera cyagoranye
nawe intention
atongana kuchera mawo atongana kuchera besije
point of correction takutongana nanahereze biteka so abwenchi now
abana babone sababu muhimu
mushawe to ugire mico nyoka nani inkoreseza so abwenchi
nzagaruka katu ngo butumwa bugufu nzagaruka tuganire.
Garageseji arhembere eri kutuhindura tukabeche chituri embereji eri kuhindura mazoba engendo narishi ebitebyo bitu nambwe no mumberejo nitwanturonde kinte cyo mutana habindi namunonge kinte kiri kubasa kureta hecho kutangaza omagara gitu naniwe gabana haburungi bwa Wonders Family Jelly izo bari yawe riberyo mutano gakoziro mbirungo ebirukhezo mbiri gukagara kabusya gukagira mani wena kwasigara no kuraje. Wonders Family Jelly nuko majuta agine kuguma harubaju neka yawe.
Wonders, always wonderful.
Kuyanazarwa Sara kabareba ngo Daniel yatungwa kusirekwa kwa burijo kumurindo burwiro buri kwita bahito mushija gwensiri gukagumani gumumaramani akarwarira kakutungira obujanjabi omushaka cyamyangu gukakuryo mushija gwensiri bahitwa bamujanjabire Daniel yakira bahito Sara wakaguma ino kwerarikirira kwinji omushawo akamugambira amubazwa kusireko mushija gwensiri nabwo akamuhamiza omugasho gwo kutaho buryo bwo kubasa kwerinda omushija Bugana Mr. Vaxa hamwe na dozina amezi mukaga amezi mushanju amezi munana hamwe na amezi 18 Mr. Vaxa nahwera kurinda butakwatwa mushija gwensiri buri kutayayirirwaro Daniel na German menji buri doze ne hamani go kurinda butakwatwa mushija gwensiri obwa hati Daniel ayina magara marungi hamwe na mani oksima kuzaha mubazi go mushija gwensiri Sara akakora kusharaho kurungi oksiri kwa burijo hamwe no mubazi gwo mushija ibirinda abana baitu tayayirerwa rero kuri heheri zoba wenda kumanye bikukiraha terera ministry y'ebyamagara aha not munana not emwe not mukaga obutumwa obu nibukwikibwa ministry y'ebyamagara.
Uganda, the cranes are flying high once again in their 7th edition of CHAN 2024, and this time the battle begins right at home in the legendary Nelson Mandela Stadium, Nambole. CHAN 2024, live on Azam TV. Passion, excitement, history.
Azam TV, burudani kwa wote.
Introducing Wonders Multi-Purpose Disinfectant, your ultimate defense against harmful bugs and germs. With just a few sprays, you can quickly disinfect your toilet, bathroom, urinal, dustbin, kitchen counter, tables, farm tools, children's toys, you name it. Keep your loved ones protected. Choose cleanliness. Choose protection. Choose Wonders. Always wonderful.
Tayari West irakari yetu program no kubiri hano ya burwa mukaga ndo turi yakorga shahi nampaka sha mukaga ndi Boaz o Mongolia ntwenda kuguma turebe ibintu kubiri mu ihanga na mnongo mukwetegurira karuka babona ke 20 mukaga tuyi nabakuru commissioner omwami Paul Katwire vice president wa DP omwami Imam Makumbi nyino omwami Alex Kamara na rwo mu UPC omwami Greenford mchunguzi Kapotan deputy speaker wa district ya Mtoma hamwe na simu Jona Dakiki na nda obwa regional chairperson wa NRM wa Western Uganda intebe jo bwa hatera mu Dr. Chris bari umunsi amwe utagambere occupant wa office baba sobota manager office so nanda kwembera movement ahabwa abwa bunyoro yari ku rugatoro ankora mu nakigezi and finally umwami Alex you end up nyakira asimu kunkaba kutureba nza kuba eshayona ntukusiyaho okushenekereza omubiri gwabiriho minister Mere Karolo Kurutu team yiti ya tayari wese yashire mu Bushenyi so program eji twabantu tugireba twitegure no kureba imikoro kwerabe akuzika Karolo Kurutu so gume a TV yawe eshayona ntukukikaho kurga Bushenyi Alex finally so omwami akena nakwisimba wa president and what are his chances
omurnya abanyankore binefumu ngo muntu kakutekere omutwe iyo no mutekere bigere so kutwayeze kumanya ngo government ine interest to block president Jimmy Akena from contesting twayeze kumanya government ine orkwe ngo kwenda kuzibara president Jimmy Akena obutesimba kwenda ngo bamuremese chance yo kongera mobilization ya UPC nito barabero mukoti nito twarabero muka delegates conference kutwagitiye akamudini kubagizebera nuko kukoresa alternative ya Zoom bakamuhereza 12 months amezi 12 ngo abe naye bemberekize kwenda ngo ekiteka cyo kwesimba kitaremo so President Jimmy Akena is mobilized ariyo na rondo bushagi cyukurungi kandi ito twashowize na manifesto yo kwereka biturakorre abanya-Uganda so abwenki abantu bayene babire binja bo kwendo bwa president echo kubanza
we can discuss it later
okay
tantu twaze to addressing UPC okweri kwijo mu karuraka
so UPC Uganda Congress
so
Uganda People's Congress ngo cyabire kigombe cyaresre okwetege commons omuihango ekyakozere ibintu by'amani kikombe kamarwara abiranabraga rya level yitoje hospital kikombe ka secondary schools ashatu nibere omuyara muzamuntu era high school itoje hospital kombe ka rukumirwenda ekombe ka rukumirwenda nkaga na munana na hatu waze to kushanga mukuraka aba NRM mu region ejo waze no buze kibombe kiro myaka 80 to kukireba ubushoma nkuze pack
ona na TV tuwajireba omwami asime Jona
bajangu binamisho kugatu bakuweza
turi ya level ya abanda ko ndo president and abantu babiri bingi what do you read into that
okay that's a very good topic I think anyowe na mbili mkustama office I get many opinion leaders and I think
betero murtoro mazima abantu bitu
omwiki 3 ezisembere enyuma aho nkafuna abantu nibenda okwesimba oba president doing a consultation kyonkano sitama nabo no bahabuza nti habako kwenda kwesimba so nabo nibakugambira ebitekerezo byabo kyonka ekingamba aho nti freedom and no nenkurakura no bentunguka mu bantu eyeyongeire kandi buli omwe akurura maana inago asakoraki asakwesimbaho aho niyo nkusimira demokrasia eya mwami Museveni His Excellency Kaguta nti buli muntu amuhaire chance okuba nasakoraki nasakwijaho kyonka abandi abaijjamu abandi bali ba comedy abandi bajjamu with comedy baitu nti obogama nti abantu abesimbirenga aina manifesto ainaki I think niba abantu nkabe ebitebe oiro nkamukuru wango wa deputy DP nyewe engineers bamala tukola hamu. Ali is one of my fellow engineers kola emirimu. Nkaba nimanya nti engeri bakwenda enkurakurana omukitebe kyabo musaijo gobandi mwairo busagiki because he is a good mobilizer. Okusanga nti ebintu ebikusinga nti titubihereza bwire baitu obiho bwire ogenda kusanga nti buli muntu ena aina chance to compete kandi ogwo atakusoba takoraki oireki nkusembya hali ensonga egyo nti nkuterera nti tibuli omu akusobola kwesimba. Omusayansi tugiramu ekintu ekibeeta esigmoid curve. Curve eri bateti na bintu kyali ombusumi bwira obwomwami waitono n'abantu abandi enyuma okwo abantu enkurakurane kabantito omubantu n'omuntu n'okwijja akagamba nti kansobole kutandika ekintu n'atiina baitu saazino nambitwikire abantu baina sente baina buli kimu hati tujja ku expecting aba president bayangi tujja ku expecting abulomaizire kyonkale kabeho somehow omuntu kumanya what takes on ni aho nkusimira ODP katita aho nti eiteeka tokaikize myaka 10 ebanzo okoleki olindo. I think ekyo nakyo kiri very important na ikikuba to taking on. Thank you.
Umwami mama maybe wale ba delegates conference yanyu kuyabiri abantu bakamba rga omumbuga na bataho hoteli bataho mu kishenge bine box z'ubururu embundu eventually babarako babazire wareba delegates conference ya NUP bakazora n'abanyamakuru delegates conference abingi tukajimanya yamazireko aba UPC abamwe bari mu kafunda abandi bari mu hoteli abandi bari Uganda House noza kurga yusi menare mu delegates conference yabo niye kusinge kuba elaborate ibiro byawe bememanya kurga kare delegates baba chenchwire baba bari mu kishayi akaruna ko mugongo maybe nene no kugisima ngo niyo pateri kusinge kutebekanisa delegates conference kandi ine delegates so makuru g'ikigambo ko rwo muhanga yo
owe bari munonga cyo kubanza cyabiyona antungire invitation iyo kunyeta kororo mu delegate conference ya NRM
bakwese kuga kamare timu kumwe rumunga
because ni itwe mu Democratic Party tukinvitinga aba NRM so on Political Party and Organization Act ebibina byona twine umbrella imwe kutubwite bakweta iPod so ekibina tubatari binazi babagenzi bitu so konka tinkuza kuza kororo ku attendinga delegate conference ya NRM hari heshonga nyingi heshongezo ecyo kubanza NRM iremerwe kutebekanisa akaruru kayo
kashitojo kabitora
abo kuba hatinyowe isingiro twineye bituru ebi abantu baferiro mu karuru abakurengo mu batanu tubikomere so tukiriyo mu kwinamera emitumbi y'abantu abafira so mwe nabisingiro bande bakororo ngire kunywa cyayi no kurya ibyo kuriya bya NRM emitumbi itakomere enyumeka y'ikiyungu umiti y'umwana
abafire bakari aba DP
so really very sad bakaba bari abanyayuganda bakaba bari NRM nicyo nakeza eshonge ndizo NRM ni yesingire kutebekanisa kubi akaruru kayo ni nyendagamba bakutoreba n'abaturikize nti akaruru ka NRM kabiri karumalisi kabiri karu dangerous karamubwinasi NRM
chanobiro yesimbire
etungire almost more than 10 billion abo kwa ntabana ibara miliyoni 3 ze sente kuza kupikinga nomination form yaremwa kutebekanisa kuronda ballot papers
konkata ekibuzo kinabuza kiriya delegates conference
yes
NRM netebekanisa gye okukyala pati zizindi right
no ekyo nakyo kankigarukemu NRM kyekutebekanisiza gye kukyala pati zizindi neba nekosa esente y'omuhi w'omushoro yes muzine nkai NRM akatonyo
reka tumuhabureho kati nakushaba reka twabure imami makombi reka twabureho omwami mama mwenu bibuli negera ngo binamishu kongata barakureba binamatwi kongata barakora omwami mama kumbe we nkayaza ujatene babiri bayo miliyoni 2 abandi bayo miliyoni 3 nkanye nkabanyesimbira bwa chairman wa Mitoma kabanja shure miliyoni 2 ezo nizo sende student kozesa kutezo bururu bwite hata ezo nezo muyiwo mushoro ningane zitu nkapati zo konta kutsiza na kushaba omwami imam makumbi no basa kubota kwicizana nitwe NRM konkare kakushisha ebyo bina uruja ngutwine mirambwe ngutwine bituru chairman wa isingiro ni bamwetaro nitakagamba ngamurambwe konkiwo tari chairman ono mako ari bituru reka kushisha kibina
kapotanya anakutereza mu isingiro w'abantu bakafa ahambwe biko NRM
okufa kwabo twatagine ne kintu cyo tikaberewe NRM
konkapate tuyabise
hagize baba kandi sinbagize batekizibarwe
ka NRM
ekirange ndagambira mwana wanje makombe NRM government we have what we call a constitution they get conference tukashitama bakora bakora minimum constitution ya party fagira ngo teraka roko mugongo so iwana nyangwe NRM government ngene sinzo ngakara kuteze no
okay
constitution ya party ne jamu teraka roko kenji
ko mugongo weteza
ekiri cyakabiri tukana makoma je kutubiri omambo was NRM government teka shiji invitation card nuko baitenga abantu muri
thank you
natere kutubira
yewe ati oguyaje wanzi ndagera ndis mutungire invitation letter
oh yes
esa iningerwe
direct
omtebeka so problem
wano genda nduza kujikwa ngatoka je
ekibuzo ekyambuzi baninda kukigarukamu isingero abantu bafire bari mu karuka NRM twabazika
correct
icyo nusa cyayigaba
ore kugira ngo NRM niyo yisibwa yes
shongenis NRM nahurra kapot no shatari informed na garanti bobine sente bari NRM teine ya the toilet political party ya NRM chadondo ne bapanji BP twine office yitu estabira plot shatu aharbali tuma
mwenu muri yabagiga
wachete
muri yabagiga
twine na
kandi kamuriki
kabudeka kwinterruptinga bari byanje bisono cyaringa utakanso
como muze weza
omtakaza program twine na processes ezitukuza kuombeka eshonge ndiziginanye ndakongera omtakaza program mwana mugamba aha cyaba candidate ndi utokwenda kukimbuza umuhendo gwabo kuba bingi echo kubanza cyabyona ni nyenda kusima NRM ahabwa standard giyatireho omuntu kuza kupikinga nomination form ukashashura miliyoni yes echo kiri very important electoral commission kuri ya setting rent buri yarize kupikinga nomination form ashashura miliyoni 5 torazi shara nomination fee ya miliyoni nezinga 20 tuizo kukendezo mwizo gwabadikura abo kuba iki kintu kibire ntimura na Uganda ba international observers kuza kureba omu Uganda bakareba bakuza kupikinga nomination form bari umbutsinda izina cyapati akari ya Burundi yebiri akagiteko mbutsi tutushwire muno nka Uganda
inigire kuyanja akajyango manyeto mugenzi
ondiza akajyanta manyeto mugenzi ecyo kiswarize munonga nka Uganda so eshongeni zikwenda kutempugambira abaturikirize ne ya democracy no manyara ebintu bibiri ni bitana Uganda political party etwireho munongo mu Uganda ni Democratic Party ni kira political party zone kandi political party etwiro mbwerembezi mu Uganda kuyatugutunga okwetegeka kumwenda kaga nebiri ni NRM abanyetegereza yamara imyaka 20 aha icyo nicyo tukubuza President Museveni aba bakatwire tabamuyambere kumuhabura
bamuhabere bata
icyo kureberaho last week
bakwesire kororo wanga kuzayo
last week President Museveni akuzirisa cya reb akwasiro buhumbi 2 yabuteko mu masiro obuhumbyo kasubi no sense yone burebere konka ko kuza kureba mu Cancer Institute murago abantu nibafanke mbeba abantu nibafanke nsiri tariyo mbazi nababyamo mu nkubo so really abantu bakabura president ya Darmuna agenda obembeze mu ngaro mu muhabureje ihanga yitu atakasiga ya Sanders ryabaruka because twinabutwenda tutandikire abanya-Uganda buri mwagenda nanago mukono abo bakatwire na kapote na mugenzi we bareke kugenda nerata ihanga rifi
Alex ibingano gareke mu cyo kubanza abesimbere ko babinje bati ni kiretwa ki ecya kabiri in composition kanu mamwe mwena kuyo president akuba tuyiho uburi ngo mahanga mingi haba kwatanisa abenje mutakwatanisa na nupo na DP na PFF mukareta candidate
awe bare munongo mutegansa program ecyo kubanza abenje abe kwedo bwa president babiye bingi electoral commission article 60 of the constitution ingashi ishemateka akawaira kankaga katanga arawe ekitongole kiryo bururu kitebekanise obururu aza abana bagira ngo electoral abantu basima inare mu mwekateko 3 million commitment na electoral commission sheme kuba nico yakora electoral commission ne koratara amateka gakuba gatirwaho ki parliament. That's why nchitakashabara commitment age yaza kugishaba ncyancho reka ngo members ba parliament nibakuzo mu parliament bakore amendments bahindure mu amateka ngwe kutanga kushabeze sen kunka cya kabireho no bakwenda no bashika aspirants so kwenda bwace bwa president kunka ntumanyango umukugarayo eba parezo mama binjine bakore mu no baracendera abwencha abantu binjine bendo bwa president eco kubanza noreba obwebembezo butwiro umunonga kandi butakwereza abantu emyaka 20 utakwereza abantu akaruruka kuba mu muvuyo utakwiye abapolisi ari kutera bo opposition mwena atakubore level the ground ninga shiburyo mwe kushanga nabona ebikwingana nacyo norana bagira ngo no muzino murungi ashemiye kumanya ubwararga stage so wara waguma stage orukuma omu Africa nore omu Africa munangwa Uganda abantu bingi twinema abantu abo kutekateka ninye ndyo muzino murungi mpaka tarondijo muzino murungi ninye muzino nyenga so ko gumano ine muntekatekeje ya ninye muzino nyenka ati ncho kurebera abo kwenda kwesimba baba bingi abo kuteno bareba tarho wereza emyaka 20 amyaka 20 ukine 39% ekiryo mworo burukunuka emyaka 20 abana nabatandika barza miliyoni ina on primary abo kweza senior 6 bayendera barye mutwaro ashatu nebi
bamumba kweno kwa president bishana bajwere empire gufana butsi no commission nagambaho he doesn't look presidential at all henera kama
so incho niyeshonga abencha abantu nibenda bakanyire ecyakana washanga ojirombwa president unemployment rate abantu bingi tibine abantu bakashoma tibine ki meromo konkiho twiro mu ntebe emyaka 20 tokwenda creating emeromo abantu bakiryo mboro corruption ekirya higuru okushoza sente nyinjo ombyo bwebembezi bukiri bwingi for instance washanga Uganda eyine parliament niyo kusingayo ninke yakabiro umunsi yone 2-5 abernamwenda ba members ba parliament washanga twine districts iganana na mukaga na hata kiyone nkarana wenda kongera mwezindi so ekibyona washanga state house yonka neshoza 2.2 billions on daily basis bulizo 2 billions zombeka irwaro wazitoje ukashanga panado yonka ni yokushangayo konke ndijo mbazi gendo ikoreki ogigure omu maduka gandi niyo kurebera abantu bona bakabere bakajya konka ebintu byona kandi tubasa nite kuchallenge.
Fair enough. Ninjira katwenderera na imamu tuze aha delegates conference ya NRM. Imam
Nagaruka kabiri
ugumanya no moderator speaker
aresho ngabo ikindi na tambaranti imamu ikibuzo kimwe na kushema nacyo tukabona kuza delegates conference ya NRM abantu abona korwe kwesimba mjowerekano mwicherezo mukaruru akuje no Museveni atebekanisi mukabasa kumuyeho nakamaze nako buringaniza
we bari munonga abagana nibajandika ati gwatora bisiza president Museveni hati president Museveni wayongera kutworeka nti niwe kizibu kihangeri president Museveni twakutegeka sakaru akaruru ntutekateka ntu independent electoral commission
nabwe natwe wakatebeka
so yabakama mwe hati wayongera confirming ati yabakama ariyo mu kwahwaza Museveni wakutebeka sakaru
ashina bwekanu wakumu
echo nikiba kigwira so president Museveni na candidate nkakaba candidate sabandi
okay
tutukuteka
omunde bayo byabakama independent
no tari independent byabakama to because it tari independent president Museveni ni wakumwapo ipinga maniyu tekubasa kubanesa mbana Arsenal okakwata referee akargo maniyu akasaro mpira ukateka teko mpira ntemtekwa kwa free and fair akarutu kesi kashi efiretyo ebagwetyo so nutekwa kazamu mukarwandemo tubarabise
program okubiri hano ya tayari West niyo program yitu kugashayi naza kashishe mpaka mukagezi yango kwa mukaga kandi abakuru bariya umukuru commissioner omwami Paul Katwire Karamuzi na jwechera president omulimba City Central nyine omukuru Imam Makumbi na vice president wa DP aha Western Uganda namwe Alex Kamara the Great na nobo MP wa Rohama muri shukti yantunga ma ticket ya UPC akahingura no opposed mu UPC akasinga abantu binya bendere
bakantini
akasinga abantu binya munonga baba mwami Greenford mchunguzi Kapota ni deputy speaker wa Mtoma kana simwe Jonah Dakiki na nda obwa regional chairperson wa NRM so katugamba delegates conference ya NRM agati y'ibiro 28 ibyo kwezo ko mwako Jonah let me begin with you delegates conference y'abantu mutaro mu next week abantu abo mbamba tensa is that a meeting
wandi mpabuize abantu mu structures za NRM bali bainga bali bantu baingi muno kutandikira ha village structures tuina abantu 30 at a village level ward like that up to the city level hati tuihama abantu batito abaku representinga the other people hati nsa gamba bano eri parliament ya NRM structure egyo ebeizirenka kololo that is the NRM parliament aba abantu abaize okorake okutesa twandibegena abantu over 2 million orusiri mu delegate conference by twatinka nyondi chairman and I'm the former NRM flag bearer MP Hoima City so I'm appearing twice I'm a delegate already
so Jonah the akika 20 years new flag bearer wa MP Hoima
the other season
last season
and we are the people who are voting aba seasonary of the last change so meaning that 15,000 abantu abo tibali bayingi muno nkokurora nti nkokutekereza habo kuba tuinamo women's league tuinamo PW veterans youth buli level yona pate ebane koraki egitekaniriza kandi ekintu kino kankitangazo katito pate structures zino zikaijamu okugumya emizi eya hansi okurora nti abantu basobwere kuba nibaikara omukitebe kyabo kandi nibakigumya so meaning that buli mwaka oba buli myaka 5 twenda tuje tujukanize abantu basobole okurabyawo ebitekerezo kandi balole nti buli muntu enakoze titukwenda kubanka nk'ogambireho ganti tukora ha conference e-conference aho demokrasia yekitebe okuba okozereki okuba otagirespectingire muno baitu tujja kutandika wiki ekuija 25 nibwo akuba nabayo the voting of actually it is formulation nyoni nkunda gamba it is formulation because Haji Chigunga and the team when NRA took over bakaforming structures not electing structures konka these days people are saying we are electing
members ba seki kuba chairman wa NRM region in Western Uganda baba humshara
ante ekyo nikyonga megetize kitchen ekichumbiro you have to be okay as you
it's a sacrifice
is a sacrifice nyo ndi party chairman wa NRM nkaba nakaza okutwara party nagure ekyombe ko kya NRM
offices
yes myself how you must sit how you must sit imam
umshati yajangwa akagura ekyombe ko kya DP bakakora NRM
yes NRM
ikiza wa NRM akansi
yes
mwita kwendesha NRM
continue akiki
yes hati ni sacrifice abantu nkaite abakusima pateke tukoleire nyonka mu UP school nkasomera sente za government university sente za government hati I have to appreciate my party
so there is yes. Conference tumukora sente imwe members ba SEC ni sacrifice
that is a sacrifice
then no mukaramta mobilization otine budget otine mushahara
no
nikyo
okurora nti ebikaro binu bya party structures ebintu biri gamba nti it is a voluntary activity tikuli buli omusanire obigendemu hati ojagenda ogambe nkwenda kuba party chairman but amazima even now omwange kuli bakoma sazin I have sent my double cabinets they are working in the field I have put fuel my own money that is party sacrifice tikuli gamba nti buli omwena oije nda amwe party chairman
so,
no
delegates conference shimekuba ho buri mwaka na buri mundu gumumi
no after 5 years by to nka SEC members ibo baina kuikara nibeta those party structures to harmonize so that my colleague ya my deputy president ebigambo ebyakuikara nagambira abantu ojja kusanga nti byabahindura but if we come on tukaleta programs za government hansi tukaterera these structures which are idle era my fellow NRM person here ekingamba nti okusanga nti omyaka 5 party structures become active only once and that's what we are fighting
asimu Jonadi
yes
twahurira ho abantu ba SEC ba complaining muto kubona gwire kuvugana president chairman wa SEC chairman wa NRM SEC ni gora cha ahuru kunoza kanusho taro SEC haba taro president Museveni
okureba Museveni
complaints toka zoraga
nkazihura
they don't meet
baita atinyo wesinga ngamba okujja ku meetinga Museveni kumugamba hizi okuleta bitekerezo ki ekizibu kya abantu omukalo rumuno okay on politics ntuleta orugambo yes you understand orugambo hati yes you can meet a president saha zona singo wene bintu ebikombeka ki ebikombeka ensi hati nyoka nkugambira katito muno tukabantu gamba nti we manufacture cement in Uganda nkasaba okumitinga president okumugamba nti we don't manufacture cement in Uganda bampa chance nyamu approving nti we don't manufacture cement in Uganda nituja assemblinga
so him atoro
because they would buy kilinka nibagura kilinka okuruga heru nibajana nibamikisinga mpozolana from kapuchorwa bafuminga cement and that was a very big problem okushanga nti cement it is high value but
finally
obutwamalirira ekyo abyetegereze yatwobwire bwingi so twagenda twakora establishing a very big mega factory for kilinka hata cement emyaka ekuija I'm very sure with NRM government it will be not so much as expensive
haho mwaka SEC itashitami
sikubasha
akiki akik hawa umwaka seke takashitamire seke ho abembezi b'eminyeto ababashobozi ababakazi ababarema ba veterani regional chairpersons bona bakabiri n'ibitegateko korwa mu bantu ground batakubwana president kumugambira ngo pate yitu iriyone haba nani nebura mweki then seke ne ho gukora executive
ate
abwije ne seke ne bahabwe imbabaza chairman kandi president yaba inobwire seke yashitamo yaba tine bwire seke yashitamo
anti under transition seke members
being vice
babaire so busy kyolaba nti mu kampeni yanje ningamba abantu nti bwaba seke member bera seke member bwabera party chairman ba party chairman hati bwaba seke member oliyo minister oli director oli board member in 5 companies obligations za seke oba nozirekaho kandi otazikozeki otazikozereho
commission mu delegates conference tutegereza yoki because the biggest announcement kirango cyagwiri cyamani nechora abe chairman wa NRM mu hangariona nora kwate benera karuka president already going to what is their
delegate conference abantu bashatu. It is a combination of three. Jakubanza arimo bakata on central executive committee, arimo national executive committee and delegate conference. Delegates habita arimo basaba county chairperson za district conferences na historicals n'abandi. Delegate conference niyo body national worship urukire mu ntara yemo. For example, ndutorana ubukiko bwa NRM. Ndutorana ba chairpersons ba regions mukaga 6 of them. Ataban batorana all delegates. Then abamonokshera rig ba chairperson ba rigs. Ata ba rigs ba shera ba chairperson ba rigs. The veteran rig, the workers rig, the tapulwa rig naban. Then echi no kwa approving candidate with his excellency President Museveni kuba candidate wa party nobara signing. Then echi sometimes no kushanga na party nenda kora amendments
MP ndahendo
party delegate rabo ireta egareke ekikora mu kitara mustamp kikira waketegereza so niyo mugasho ya then echi nagenda kongera mu cyamyone cyanaga engineer central SEC members, they normally sit. But kila meetings. And most of the times, NRM chairperson, His Excellency President Museveni, na kila charinga. Na kila chair. Obundi yataro, chigoga charinga. So I think SEC member obiru in kila kugaga na kutense. Yes. Konka itonoreba delegate conference, I think yeneba ho umuntu ubone ngiro myaka 5 because I've been delegate kamara myaka 22 nkimanye kikumanyise
number
na I think yeah or 3 or 4 times I think so at center delegate conference ya NRM neza kama Ibrahim na Mshanju ni Ibrahim na Munana Ibrahim na Mshanju no organizinga no accreditation nebi then to no bchiko wa yusi I think is it 21st or 23rd around there so no reba batekingwa nakabagambira delegate conference ya NRM ni impango eremeire ande nabantu bengi barumone kitweka members abaraze mu rukiko so and really we hope kugira ngo neza kugenda ki
kapota delegate conference ko kubaho ebitukira kurrayo ni abajweche wa delegates kwetombuita allowance yabo tabagitunga yona hariho kasoro mumba ya umuhandiki mukuru abantu bakatera rwari president yabuze munishi mu transport yitu mu bagishazire ekeri mutoro bekeri nkaga na mukaga
akazongeza
bakabashazire delegates abakorwa mutoma bakorwa hoima umba jona dabakorwa wituka mwenge abo bakakorora exactly mbakorashi minus byamba kutunga allowance
wabare munonga nyimbaza twebaze ekibina kitu kya NRM kushanga mu delegates conference iriene kubaho abo kuba kuleta kwenda kubaho banyanda banje bakubeni bagamba nabyo ni byinshi abakuja mu kandi ekibina ekitiro mu binza kushanga konka tutangire ku organizing delegates conference abantu toma bacumanyire abayisingiro bacumanyire abacirora bacumanyire na nyingi mu ba delegate nyama delegate ninza kuba ndinza kutera
no kwataka sente
tukuja unza kwataka sente ogwebembezi tukubirebera mu chesente
baza kubaza transport refund
omuntu wona karaba narebera mu chesente omanye muti mwebembezi obwebembezi eba sacrifice obukozere sadaka ko buhereza abantu bawe wale bawaja ngo prioritizinga obwebembezi goja ngo abwene sente obwene utari mwebembezi kandi ekindi ninyenda kugura abanya-Uganda no manyo bonabire nkabakare kandi kigo mu basigaza bato kandi opposition ito ndagireyo ito twakwata ngo opposition ni nko muntu otari kwenda kurokoka ni ngo muntu uri kwicereza otari kwicereza mu ruhando naguma ayine gwe kwaso hato muntu ura imam omuntu oruguma ayine gwe kwaso takwenda kurokoka ko kumunje turokoka tkonka shaba kazi yati ndabasiga honda hato tkonda kurokoka kwa tkonka shaga magu kuganuzire hata gumana kuyamuramwa ahendura ale migobu kama bwo mwigu nico kimwe n'aba opposition nibanga kujo mu movement bagumani we kwazisho ngazima ezitakwa umuntu koko na uramwana wanje arugambo wa UPC hata amashomero tugaro kuri universities ni graduating sabana urore ni zile graduating sabana ndo graduating every year
so delegates ko kweba kwa
so delegates okuturiyo ni inkoro kiko gwitu gwechika gwa bakuru bechika turiyo tuza kuvuga na kuharmonizing kureba
kapota n'umuhikayo murinda turugambo bya secretary general Todongo ashoma ebibahingwizo museke muneke ngahi then muchimara bono mundu gumwe pana imwe ngo mushika teka discussion takoni ngo tikasida kubigetse masagire nizo barimo kutule twenda kurara konka ntiko turonda bebembezi bitu antebeze kushana tuganira amendments kutwakwaine bitwenda kuyingana mu kibina kutwakwaine bitwenda tubina kandi ekibina kitwa NRM ebintu byona bina systematic tuplaninga tumanyatereza twaza kuronda ababembezi bati twaza kurondamo abakozi bati kikacha president kutule twenda ngo ajiro amwesimbo kutule twaja mutumurabi ekyo nishitekateko kitu kekibina kutsara nena ninyenda kugambira kumu utwabintu kura harakara kesho kuruka kujamu si ebyazigane yetorani bya Uganda munywana wanje mpurikize Uganda ebyazigane yetorora mwije twena twataganeze hamwe tureke mutwaje bembeze ebebe mukwekwasa tibirumu Uganda titwihangerera kubizo mahanga gandi zo mu agatwetorero noza kuri amahanga garuko rero go anagira mu Museveni na agenda icyo ne cuba tajagenda tajagenda Museveni wa fetajagenda ne muhoza tajagenda ne tayega tajagenda imanya tabajagenda bali wano kimanya kwate kuva kunze bali wano Museveni ali wano muhoza ali wano tayebwa ali wano naba movement NRM eri wano kapota
tuwereza abantu
kapota tutamuka vibe Jona dede chike mbone kuzomba opposition antebe ya national chairman General Museveni tieno isimbe nawe antebe ya first national chairman omwami ala muzi kigongo tieno isimbe nawe n'entebe zasigara bwenchi mutakureka barumba kagumizamo abwenchi abahigura mubareka dena hasigara mukaza kurwanisa kadaga mukaza kurwanisa
abanyo muze kibuzo kironje
no party structures tizili za elective positions zili za harmonization hati nkomwange musite nkaijandi unopposed batanteko omuntu wena kwesimbaho just unopposed habukwa bakaro nokora ebintu we don't want okuba nti we are fighting hati the constitution of the electoral commission neya party they are the same but different ezaitu zokuharmonizing discipline patriotism okuba hamwe hati tusanokera nyekeka tukaikara no tukaikara twagamba kwa iwe bakinu hati obutwikara nturwanagana buli kaire o competinga we bring divisions. So those positions which are ebibalekere tibatekaho bantu they harmonized by
car. Actually tubazerekereho.
Yes.
Our chairperson wa NRM party.
Akyaro habantu bantu.
Babra qualification. Our vice chairperson tena wa itsimba.
Obudashika chenza kubantu za Bushenyi abo mu control room za kutugambira mwabana mwenda tuzeyona immediately you let us know. Konkaka tugambira this conference aside ya opposition. Makumu delegate conference ya
icyo kubanza cyabyona delegate conference ya NRM abazayo bona baza kusubura
exactly
tuba patriotic tuba tuzayo kusasa bihanga ryabo baza kusubura abo kugambira bamwe
yo business etetigamba nakushambura
abundu kugambira umutekanso wa program
debate kana kadara ka opinions
abundu kugambira abamu ba delegates babakire national ID abamu babatireho umusingo babashenekere Kenya abantu ba Rwanda
tindi delegate
so umutekanso wa program ebi byona n'urwanzo rwo kusise centre mu homushoro ahabo kuba buru candidate yakuza kwezima bakumutera urusheke nahurira akiki ninyenaga akiki katuno mpamwe dakikemu akiki nahurira nageramo akagura ikizimbe yagura NRM office iweze mbabazo kaziya ware yaguno mwana kuceranyina nabana yenda NRM yari makugura helicopter
akiki is a patriot
ya chichadondo bababinga no bashuhoza n'abapangisa iwagura ikizimbe hoyuma iweze mbabazo kaziya
ate no reba delegates conference ya NRM delegates conference ya NRM wabuzo umushija hatu washanga omuntu omowe we nindyafa mbireki we tubara umutereraho karuna no muhezi we from 1986 pate chairman ataryogwe na vice ataryogwe na patra na mwana forever konkabandi bo nibaterwa karo indeed yo delegates conference ya NRM no kuzayo kore sente kushubara de nat namwe batangira kubagana okuzayo no kubagana sente nasingere tine kiba kutensa ikiko no kubagana ki sente
Jonathan niwe yisimbire shaba abantu ibyo bakutera karuru tusibire tuze bushenya gumukoro we have just 1 minute
okay nkusima tayari nkusima media team okuba ni munyinvitinga kandi nkusaba abana kigezi aba Rwenzori ankole okuba nti ni mujuka ekiro 28 tugenda akora ebintu bingi kandi ni mpaka rukanya wa national vice chairperson Western Uganda
we bari munongo mtusa program tingi ikirozagana na geno muhosi kwihambaho hari umwana wo mu Rwanda bambe aka division commander Makenki brigade ya Kanchuru omuharade izayisimbere ni nsaba kuzo mu delegate conference bambe akisya kabe karika president ya akisya ko bambe mugahereze akarugo musyayi no mugaso abo kubabirari guild president ya president chairman onizo wa kabiri basajya baraba nari bicyakozera yombekera hamarara university shaka umuhereza akarugo bari mu
akwakisa commission account committee sivuri
kabaze simba bamwana banje mwena aba contribution zanya batense nyawokusibira kwanje n'ikintu cyumwe ningambara abantu banje bambarira mwena sitabaye no batureba tiyo nsukuzo mu karuru okushaka uru ka president Museveni na NRM please let's work together tereba bana site president Museveni yatunga 90%.
Abanyarama mwe bare munonga ba UPC muhagire president wandi Jimmy Akena na Kamara Alex the Great MP for Arama County 2026.
Abanyamitoma mwe bare munonga tugumize mune ntunguka aba Andrews Kachika mwe bare kureba TV aba NRM muhame ekibina kitu kiriho Rongo Rivu Museveni Rongo Rivu Uganda Rongo Rivu Tayebwa na General Mozi ni General Ndamugambi yiwe
yatagambara yatakurya
bane America rukurutu na umjenzi mkama mchunga
mihaso rusintana
America rukurutu former minister and tuenda kwebaza asimwe Jonah Dakike kuje kutayara ibintu byo kwa munana mu delegates conference Greenfield Kapota bari kutahira umwami Alex Kamara bari kutahira.
Followed by the family of Reverend Ben Jackson Bitunjirwe. Ntemobwira Karoro Abamwe Association. Skilling Uganda Group, Skilling Uganda Group. Who will be followed by State House, where she worked. State House, represented by Mr. Edmund Washasha. Annette Bidora. Professor Tassis Kabwejere. Indeba Sikora Ntama, State House. Uturu Promoters Club. Twenda First Aid. We have a First Aid section. Waka Women's Group. Waka Women's Group. Now Professor Ernest Karoro and family. Professor Ernest Karoro and family. They will be followed by the Birungi family. Simpson Birungi family. Followed by the Movitt family. Simpson Birungi family, followed by the Movitt family. Then the family of John Buza from Chaka, and the Kanyakode family from Lubirizi. Then Team Canon Mary Karoro. I have 3 more minutes. The Chatuoka family, Professor Mranga, and the RDC Bushengi. No, RDC Mbadara, Nicholas Mwajira. Bushengi Development Group, Rona and Barbara, and the Rotary Club of Kamuohe. Family of Feli Mwesigwa, and then Mrs. Mark Kadoro. Team No Sleep. Team No Sleep. I don't know what it does. Team No Sleep. Team No Sleep. Maybe they too. Team Canon Mary Savers. Rehema Kahunje and Flora. family of the late Honorable Aninda Cowboy. The Mshakamba family and the Kakire family, those are the last. Those are the last. Cowboy family, Mshakamba family, Kakire Babuta family. Izindi Zakshoma Wanyima. Call the church finally. We shall read the rest. We shall read the rest. Later the church is going to lay its wreath, and police band we can take a break, and we shall all stand as the church lays its wreath. The others will be read later in the phase 2. The church is laying its wreath.
But thank you very much. Ogomurumo gwa kutorobi kandi manyana nabo kuchoro bwinji tumwatungo mushago kutahevu muri mukama kwara tugera phase 2 konka yetabiroho we will at least read all the wreath and nani shabangwecho tuichirezane nacho. The weather forecast says that we will have rain in the afternoon. And I want to bring that to everybody's attention. The weather forecast says we'll have rain in the afternoon. And therefore, whatever we are doing, Bishop Osasiri, buri omwara aze kugamba ashinka kunabira umuryango. Akuba nonu ukora speed ngu batakureba. So we will. Let me also say this. We are, I can see many dignitaries around. If we go into introducing all of you, we will spend a lot of time here. A+ has a book we are all writing. I have seen you all dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen, mwebale kuija, niza kuintroducinga groups ibizonga. Abasigara mwebale kuija twabareba, kandi ni manguru mwija kuchintura bwa nyuma, but it's okay with me. Nyenda abatizi mwena ahimuri mwimuke because you gave us the best of the best. Abatizi abaryaha ogunomutizi nishabangu mbatero mungaro bakozuro murumo murunji. They gave us the best of the best. Thank you very much. The second group is Archbishop abanyigara baryaha mwemere because you've given us the best of the best. Abanyigara haza tuwawe tugambaho natemaka tukarara igara wantandko akasiona akahaba jesi oronar hawarkoko ihurnar habana enje na jihom kama kasana